Hey, singer.
Lord.
Hey.
Keep me safe, keep me safe, keep me, Lord. You was a child, Lord. Here was on the sick bed suffering today. Hear the voice calling from behind the bar. Ooh, Father, you're my provider, Lord. You're my shield, my protector. Every day, Lord, have mercy on me, Lord. Down on my knees as I pray, Lord. Keep me safe, keep me safe, keep me safe, Lord. Have mercy on me, Lord. Down on my knees as I pray, Lord. Keep me safe, keep me safe, keep me, Lord.
Oh, nice. Love it. God bless
All
you.
right,
What's your
thank
name?
you. Natasha.
Natasha.
Yeah.
Nice one, Natasha.
Okay, all right, thank
Yeah,
you.
X Factor next.
All right.
Yeah? Bless. Have a good day.
All right.
Hear that? The voice of Jamaica. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, funky.
Welcome to day 3 in Jamaica. Sunshine of paradise. Hey you, disturbing my vlog. You see that? In the middle of my vlog. You with the cuckoo man, eh? Get. And you as well. Look at that nose. Love you. Kiss. Mwah. One more kiss. Kiss. Mwah. Look at Eddie Mouse. Just reached the market, just gonna grab some stuff, some quick food, grab some groceries, and then yeah, hit the road again. So let's go. So day before yesterday I bought some tomato in the supermarket. And I said when it comes to Jamaica, never ever buy tomato in the supermarket. Way better, tastes better as well. Why they ain't an accent? But now become a Jamaican, isn't it?
I'm a Jamaican, I'm born Jamaican.
Oh, you want to speak British? I mean, is that what you want? Yeah, no, I'm Jamaican, so I'm going to speak Jamaican. Yeah, the reason why we have all this blue thing on top as well, because the sun is shining well hot. So if you have everything, I can show it away. Yeah, the Jamaican come out well hot. Can barely see. String bean.
Sweet potato, Irish potato, carrot and cookie. Yeah, kids.
Cucumber them slightly different as you can see, but this one, yeah, they want a better. And most of them want to full up with water, isn't it?
That's good. I want to join up here and come out. I'm going to eat them. No, no, seriously, I'm not going to eat them. I'm going to get to the food. I'm going to get to the food. No, serious.
So guys, I just want to address something real quick. I know the last video I posted was, the title was slightly a bit misleading. I don't know, a lot of people think I was leaving the army. Just to let you guys know, I'm not leaving, yeah? I know I did make it clear, however, I did make it clear that, you know what I mean, I'm leaving for now to do something different. You know what I mean? It's a different meaning of me coming to Jamaica and do something different. Because I'm on leave, so I won't be posting anything soon in my green kit. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean, I'm here now, so hence why the reason why I said that. But that aside, guys, I just want to say massive thanks to all the comments as well. You know what I mean? I can see I still got some true fans out there, and a lot of people wish him well. You know what I mean? So I just want to say a massive thanks to that. Apart from that, guys, yes, I'm here. Today, started the day with a bit of exercise. I went to the gym or wherever the door was. You have a code to get in, but that was locked. Well, I forgot the code. So I went off to the swimming pool, did a few laps of the pool. Not really a big pool, but you know what I mean? I'm not a strong swimmer either, so for me that was a few laps. Yeah, aside from that, went to the market with my brother and grabbed some stuff. And just to let you guys know as well, like, a lot of people think Jamaica is cheap, but trust me, it's not. You know what I mean? Different level. You know what I mean? You really have to have something here prior for you to survive. You know what I mean? Not just a job, but like, I mean, like side hustle, you know, and legit hustle. And I went to the supermarket and I spent, I think I spent over £150, I would say, if I'm right. I can't remember the calculation, but roughly that. And yeah, you know what I mean, we haven't got much stuff, but still, everything just add up. And I just want to say, like, I haven't been here for a while now. You know what I mean? I've been in England for quite some time now. It's really embarrassing saying numbers, but just coming back and see the way the place has developed so far, you know what I mean, it's absolutely amazing. Like, where we're staying with family now at the moment, you know what I mean, it's absolutely brilliant, you know, and that just really stepped me back, you know what I mean. And I can say a lot of time, like, why the hell I'm doing in the UK? Like, even people who were born in Britain, like, say the same thing, like, mate, why come to UK? You know what I mean? Why UK? It's so cold here. And it's up and down, because when I came to the UK, I was a kid then. You know what I mean? My parents brought me over, so you know, it's not like I have a choice as such. But just looking back now, is like, yo, you know what I mean? I would just love to be here. You know what I mean? And I can't wait. You know, and that's my goal. You know what I mean? I don't want to say when I retire and all that. You know what I mean? I want to be here like soonish. You know. And yeah, you know what I mean, that's really exciting, you know what I mean? Like few of my mates here who never really travel as much, and they're doing absolutely fabulous, you know what I mean? And they station here in Jamaica, you know what I mean, I'm making a killing. But guys, aside from that, guys, as I said, you know what I mean, I'm here for a good period of time. I want to make the most of it, you know what I mean, vlog-wise content, you know what I mean, you're gonna see some sick content, you know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you're new to the channel, guys, please subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed as well, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, as I said, guys, you know what I mean, I'm absolutely excited, you know what I mean, buzzing. Tomorrow I'll give you guys a house tour, you know what I mean, where we're staying, and yeah, man, I can't wait, you know, I can't wait to show you guys like the true Jamaica, you know what I mean, the real deal. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're in UK, by the time I post this, I don't know the time difference, you know, I know we 6 hours behind you guys, Jamaica, you don't know I'm here, so yeah, can't wait. Yeah, my sweet, sweet Jamaica. Love you. Mwah. See you guys later. Peace. And you got this little crow up here, he's telling me off. Look at him. Anyway, guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bright and shine.